I have the OnePlus Watch 2 and I'll be showing you how to change the alarm volume, basically changing the volume of your alarm. So for this one, what you want to do is simply go to settings, and you can go to settings either by pressing this button to go to the main menu and then pressing on the settings icon, or you can just swipe down to the quick settings and find the settings icon, tap on it. Either way, it's going to land you on the settings page. Now on the settings page, scroll down until you get to sounds and vibration. Tap on that, and then under sound and vibration, if you scroll to the volume section, you can see volume for different things. We have ringtone and notification volume, call volume, that's for when you're in phone calls, media volume, alarm volume. Okay, so you can increase the alarm volume by tapping on the plus icon, or you can reduce it by tapping on the minus icon. Okay, so depending on what you want, that's how to adjust the volume of your alarm on this watch. Once you select the volume you want, you can just press this button to go back to the watch face. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching and good luck.